And here in the city, officials are not only concerned about the snow, but also freezing temperatures. Andrew Ramos is on the west side with more on how they're getting ready and also whether students can expect a snow day come Monday.
The extreme cold can be deadly. This is one you need to take very seriously.
From Governor Hochul to Mayor Mamdani, state and local leaders are leaving nothing to chance when it comes to a weekend snowstorm closing in on the region. The game plan already in motion.
Tomorrow we are going to begin citywide pre-snow treatment. What that means is that we will brine all highways, major streets, and bike lanes to mitigate snow and ice accumulation.
And when it begins, about 2,000 Department of Sanitation workers will hit the ground running with 700 million pounds of salt on hand. Snowfall just one part of the big story here. Concerns are growing over the extreme cold snap.
After the storm, because it's going to remain deeply cold for maybe a week or more, we will be likely doing hauling and melting operations where we take big piles of snow to special approved locations and put it into sort of an industrial jacuzzi, a melter that can melt 120 tons per hour.
And a big question many city parents and students have tonight, whether schools will be open come Monday.
Once we make a final decision as to what it will look like on Monday, we will communicate that clearly and directly to families.
What is clear, the traditional snow day of yesteryear is history, at least in New York City, where they plan to pivot to remote learning. The hope is that administrators worked out all the kinks from the last time the school system went remote, which resulted in a system-wide crash.
I think we've done several tests of the system since then, but most importantly, as we think about if we have to do this, the idea of staggering the start time is really important.
Now, Mayor Mamdani acknowledged that the forecast may change. That's why he's encouraging all New Yorkers to sign up for Notify NYC. That's the city's emergency alert system, so they can get the latest information and updates on this situation he says is still evolving. Reporting on the west side, Andrew Ramos, CBS News, New York.
And our local airports are also taking some precautions ahead of the storm. Here's a live look at JFK. Things are certainly calm right now, but we can tell you that airlines have issued travel alerts. Delta expects the storm will impact its New York City hubs in particular, and other airlines, including Delta, American, JetBlue, United, and Southwest, they're all waiving fees to change your flight. And if you'd like to know about the latest on this forecast, our First Alert weather team has you covered during and ahead of the storm. Get updates as you wake up. Join us on CBS News New York tomorrow morning beginning at 4:30.